Frontier. So I'm on my way to work, but I wanted to make mention it's been 1 year, a little bit over 1 year since I came back to New York after like at least 20 years living here. And I've just been getting bombarded by a lot of tickets for my business van. I got a lot of tickets to the point where I drove it back to Brooklyn to park it there. Then I also, not only did I get it on my van, but I got it on my motorcycle. So my motorcycle was parked here yesterday. And when I came, I saw a ticket. I'm like, for what? And then I checked this motorcycle. It had the same thing. So then I started to check, and it said the registration was expired. So as I looked at the sticker, because I know I got the bike in October, so I know inspection, everything was good. So I didn't know why I and the other dude got a ticket. And so last night I went online and I saw that in New York, all registrations for motorcycles in April the 30th. So they just caught me by like 3 days. So it's just a reminder to renew your registration for your motorcycles because they've all ended April 30th, so you won't get a ticket. Now, if I was upstate where I was living, this will never happen. The tickets on my van will never happen. And so it's just one of the things that you have to deal with living in New York. It's disgusting here. And it's just one of those adjustments you have to make again. Because I would have never got a ticket for that. There's no chance. And so just a reminder to get that done